Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update or edit an existing announcement banner on your school website. If you're looking to add an announcement banner to your website, please refer to the video that goes through that process. First step is to go to the website dashboard. And from here, we're going to go to Divi Bars. Click on the Divi Bars option on the sidebar on the WordPress dashboard. And you're going to hover over the announcement bar that you wish to edit. In this case, I've got the one for open enrollment. I'm going to click on Edit. And it'll load up the announcement banner editor. So from here, some of the common edits that you may want to do may include color changes, updating the text, etc., or even updating the height of the announcement banner. So if we want to update the text, we'll simply need to go into, click on Module Settings for the text module. And let's suppose that we need to set this up now for the 2024-2025 school year. And we want to edit the text. So we would simply do so right here in this text editor. And once we're done editing that, we can click on the green checkbox. Now, if you want to edit the text size, make it bold, or make other edits like that, you can do it in two ways. There's a way to bold it right here, but the better way of doing it is to click on the Design tab and click on Text, and you can change the font here to any font that you wish. The font weight, you can also make it bold or ultra bold. You can make it all caps if you wish. You can underline it. This would, of course, underline all of the text. And you can also adjust the text size. So if I want to bump up the text size here to, let's say, 17 pixels, I can do that. You can even adjust letter spacing if you want to have more spaces in between each letter. Click the green checkbox to save changes. And if you wanted to adjust the height of the bar, let's say it's a little bit too thick for your taste, you can certainly do so by clicking on the row settings. Then go to Design, click on Spacing, and currently we have 10 pixels, so let's reduce that down to 5. For both the top and the bottom padding. Everything else should be 0. And click on the green check mark. And let's say you wish to change the start and end time, or perhaps the delay, or perhaps the pages that it shows up on. Let's suppose we want it to show up on the admissions page as well, since currently this announcement bar is set up to only show on the home page. If we want to also show it on the admissions page, we can add that to the specific pages slot. And if we wish to increase the time delay, we can adjust the number of seconds. You do have other options here as well. If you don't want to have a time delay, you can do scroll percentage, meaning once a user scrolls down a certain percentage down your page that the announcement banner is programmed to appear on, then it will appear at that point once they've reached that percentage of scroll. You can also have it pop up right when they intend to exit your website. But in the case of time delay, you will want to put the number of seconds here. Other things you can edit, including the scheduling. There is an option for recurring scheduling if you want the announcement banner to only show up on Mondays, you could do that from start time to end time, as well as just a start to end time here. So if you need to adjust the date, you can certainly do so. Let's say the event open enrollment is now ending on October 24th instead of the 26th. You can then change this and say it will end on the 24th and we'll change this to PM. So you can certainly do that. Once you've made all the desired changes, simply click on the blue update button. And once it loads up the new version and you get a confirmation message that the post was updated, we can head over to the home page and refresh it to see what our changes look like. So it now has a 2-second delay and the text is bolded and the padding has been reduced so it's a little bit skinnier. So all of those changes have been applied successfully. That's all there is to updating your announcement banner on your website.